Hey guys, it's me, Brandy, and I have a couple of products that I wanted to try out for you. I was sent this from iMethod Beauty, and basically it's an eyebrow stamp. So I'm excited about that because I haven't tried anything like this before. So it comes in this little container. And then it has all of these little things. It has like these little, what are they, like stencils, I guess would be the word. So I got several stencils, and it comes with this little like spongy thing. And then of course to make your eyebrow hairs like do what they're supposed to do. To do what you want them to do, right? So let's see real quick. Oh, and it comes with the brow pomade. So the color is this like brown color. So I am excited to use it. So we are going to do it for the first time on camera. Yeah. Okay, so there's this little thing that comes with it. And it just says determine your ideal brow shape. So I'm going to open these up. I'm going to try to find the one that works best for my... Alright. I'll try to use the one that works best for my shape. That one might be a good one. Let's try... That one is too... I don't know, this is not right. Neil. Maybe that one. I'm going to check the other ones, and we will see. So I'm going to make sure that I don't have any product in my brow. Yeah, that's too straight. That one might work. All right, let's try this one. So I'm going to pull the little, whatever this is called. So we have a stencil. I'm going to brush my hairs. All right. So I'm going to hold it. So there is the color. Let's see, I mean, for my first time, I don't feel like it looks horrible. Just go ahead and try the other side now. Okay, so we're gonna flip this over and do the other side. All right. I mean, I feel like for my first try ever using the product, I didn't do too badly. I'm going to turn the light up a little bit. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much, iMethod Beauty, for sending me this cool little product. I really appreciate it. Have a wonderful night. Bye.